SensingBot. The SensingBot is a robot which can avoid obstacles and detect the edges of tables using the infrared sensor board. I use the if-else chip to make the SensingBot avoid obstacles and edges of tables. This is the CPU, and under the CPU is the battery case. And under the battery case is the two DC motors. Under the two DC motors is the mainframe. This is the infrared sensor board which can avoid and detect where it is going. Now I will demonstrate.